Hey everyone, this is Reggie from Restore Plus Physical Therapy. I just want to shoot out this quick video. This is something that one of my patients mentioned to me, and I thought I want to share my response with everyone. So I have one patient. She came in for therapy. She wasn't doing, she was feeling a lot of pain at the beginning, and after we started the program, quickly she started feeling well, and she actually, she's doing pretty great. Now, one day, she came in and she had more pain. So I was thinking, like, hey, what's going on? So I asked her a little bit more information about what happened, and I found out that because she was feeling so well, and she thought that, hey, you know what? If this my exercises, this program is making me feel, this good, if I do more, I will actually be getting better faster, or I will actually be feeling even better. And I want to share my response there, what my suggestion there. More is not necessarily better. I think that applies to everything in life. Be it exercise, be it the modalities, be it the food, vitamins, nutrition, be it everything. More is not necessarily better, right? Even if it's helping you, doesn't mean that if you do more of it, it's gonna help you more. A lot of times, it's actually the opposite. If you do more, it actually will be harmful for you. Too little, it's not gonna be good. Too much is not good also. All right. So that's something that I want to share with everyone. And that's the reason why, that's why we're here, to be able to guide you, to be able to advise you on how much to do, what's the right way of doing it, so that you don't have to play a guessing game. It's not like, oh, I just saw this online, somebody said it's good, I do it, and then you do, it's not enough, you do more. It's like, then you're risking hurting yourself. All right. So, and that's what one of the main things that we do is, we guide people, we give you the advice, and that's, I think, one of the most important ways in how we help people, how we transform their lives. All right. So just a quick thing, I just want to shoot it out there. Everyone, I hope you learned something from this, and want you to keep this in mind. Till next time, bye.